Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to install WhatsApp on mobile phone. Why would you want to know how to install WhatsApp on mobile phone? Well, maybe it is your first time using mobile phone and not sure how to install WhatsApp on mobile phone. So today I am going to show you how to install WhatsApp on mobile phone. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Installing WhatsApp on your phone is very simple and the process is same for both Android and iOS devices. First of all, open Play Store if you are using Android. If you are using iPhone, open App Store. Here at the top you are seeing search icon. Click on it. Now write WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp Messenger. Now from here you can simply click on install. As my WhatsApp is already installed, so I am seeing open option. You will see install option. It will take few seconds and your WhatsApp will be installed. There you go. If you wanted to know how to install WhatsApp on your mobile phone, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.